On this episode, we are fixing the Dremel. So you've watched me use this a lot, and it's not functioning properly. So it's currently on. But it won't stay on. And so there's little bitty brushes in there. And they look something like this. I went to Ace, Lowe's, and Home Depot. Nobody had the brushes. So I ordered them online. It's probably a good idea to unplug it first. Maybe turn it off. But it's really simple. Just unscrew this. And you can pull it or drop it. But you can see that this one is worn out. I didn't know I was going to have to put them together. So you just put it inside the spring. You can see the difference. These are going to go back into the Dremel box for later. Those are trash. Plug it in, turn it off, turn it on. So that was pretty simple. It's like $3 for the brushes. Pull them out, put them in. They'll settle down after they find their spot. But now it works again without having to squeeze it. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.